So hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video we are going to create this wonderful shoes website landing page using just HTML and CSS and a little bit JavaScript for the responsiveness of sidebar and this add to cart button. Okay, yes, we will create this thing and you can see this animation. Yeah, we are going to use AOS for this and it's completely responsive. Okay, let me just show you, but before that start with the link. Here you can see this is a new design here by providing at the top, instead of top we just using a sidebar. Okay, and after that we have some text about the shoes. Okay, and here we can see there is a response sorry, animation as well, like hover effect. Okay, and you can select the sizes as well. Not only that, when you click on add to cart, it will change it to add it to cart. Okay, so yeah, you can do that as well. Now go to the responsiveness. So in the responsiveness part, you can see here this website is fully responsive, and now you can see the sidebar is gone. And when you click on it, it will come here. Okay, yeah, this is the responsiveness. And when you go down, you can see the shoes here. Okay, now let's check in the tablet version, because yeah, it's necessary. So you can see in the tablet version it look like this, and here we have sidebar and the text, animations and images. Okay, so yeah, how it look like in responsiveness, just let me know in the comment section. And also for the source code, let me just show you how you get the source code. So come to the Google and search procoder09. Then you get the first website. Just click here. Okay, and go to blog section, or if you have any query regarding anything, just come here and you can showcase your design, or you want to collaborate with me, just click here. Or just you want to some articles tutorial you want to discuss, just click here. Or you can exchange some thoughts as well. Not only that, but you can get the premium codes as well, or not here but also that's here as well, like get source code directly and visit store. Just click here and you will redirect to this page where you can get the source code, but premium source codes. Okay, that's paid. You can see the demo as well, how it looks like. Okay, let me just show you the main. Here you can see this portfolio, and here you can see the demo as well, how it looks like in image version. And when you click on it, it will redirect it to the payment method here, that is buy me a coffee. Okay, yeah, it's a secure payment method, you can use it. Just here click the amount and just click on add to cart. Not only that, you can just go here and click on buy membership. And after you buying the $30 per month membership, what you will get too much things in a very less amount. Like you can see this is free for members. Yeah, you will get the member and you get this in free without any pay and everything. Okay, not only that, but also you can see this Alex, it get $2, and this one also for $2 for members only. Okay, and this is free for everyone. Okay, so just go and check it out and let me know in the comment section if you have any query regarding anything. Okay, so now let's start the video for creating this wonderful website, and the source code directly available to there. Yeah, it's free, totally free, don't worry. It will be uploaded on the blogs. Okay, that is procodesigner.com. And yeah, soon let's see start the video. Let's start with the HTML file. So here I have an HTML file with the title document, so let's change it to the shoes website. Okay, shoes website, and refresh. Okay, so we have to open it again and remove this part. Okay, now it's updating. So what we will do is to start with the body part. Okay, but before that we have to add a link here. Okay, so let me tell you what this link about. Yeah, so this is the link for the family Poppins I'm going to use, that is font family. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm going to use, a custom font family. That's why I'm going to use this Google font. Then come to here, body section here. So in today's video, I'm not going to create any other style.css file or any other file. Okay, I will do it in here. Okay, by inline internal CSS, like you already knew about this CSS part. Okay, So I will do that in a single file and then give it to you. Okay. On my website, you already know about it. If you don't, check out that procoder09.com. Okay. So start with the container here. Let's create a container here, and inside this container, we create a whole website inside this container. Okay. So start with the header tag. So let's create a header tag. Inside this header tag, let's create a we can see we need three navbar, right? So start with the first one, that is hamburger menu. For that, we already we also need cd and link, that is font awesome. So just click on copy here and come here and then paste it here. Okay. Okay, now it's done, and come to this website, that is font awesome, and search for first one we need is a hamburger menu here. So let's search, and here it is. Just click here and then copy this line. Okay, now come back to website here, and inside the header, first one, for create a first div, that is menu icon. Okay, and inside this menu icon, paste that code here and refresh. Now you can see we have a hamburger menu here, and we will style it later. Okay, now let's create another div, and that is our logo, that is Nike. Then other one, create another div, that is search icon. Okay, and let's add search icon as well. So come to again here this website here, and inside it just click search icon, and here we have. Okay, so what we are gonna use this one, that looks fine. Okay, so come here and just paste the code again, and here refresh it, and we have a search icon as well. Now let's go after these header tag. We will just create an overlay here. I will explain later why I'm going to use this overlay. Just create it. Okay. Then after that, just go to sidebar here. That is sidebar, and okay, not like this, but dot sidebar. And here, what I'm gonna use this, add the links. Okay, so start with the home. That is first one has taken the HREA. Then start with the home, then other link, that is collections, then move to other parts, that is for men's, uh, for women, then kids, and then contact. Okay, so you can use these things. Okay, now it's fine. And let's move to the let's refresh first. Okay, now everything looks good. Okay, so after this, we will create the main content, whatever we wanna add. Okay, so start with the main content. So create a div and add class name, that is main content. Inside this div, what we start with is shoes title. Okay, so type shoe title, and inside this shoe title, click create a h1 tag, and inside this h1, just add a span with a classic epic. Okay, and name it as a epic react. Then create another span. Okay, I will do it here. Okay, so that you can see that here as well. So create another span, that is fly connect. Okay, because we will style it. So okay, so add fly connect. Okay, now it's fine. Then move here. Okay, so there is another as well, that is the span, the second span is out of all box. Now it's fine. Let's refresh it. Yeah, everything looks good. Now our shoe title is done. Let's go to the other title, that is shoe description. So guys, if you wanna contact with me or want to chat with me, what we have to do is to just go to our website or go to our Telegram channel, and then just tell me whatever you have issues or anything, just tell me. I will try to solve it as soon as possible. And if you have any suggestions you want to share with me, just go to our website, that is procoder09, and then you can do your design, anything you want, just like here. Then channel collaboration, we already have these things here. Just go and fill the form, and whatever you want, you can go. I will contact you as soon as I receive the mail. Okay, so okay, try it. Now just add the description and move to the size selector as you already seen in the uh, demo section. Okay, so just size selector here, and then go to here, and inside the size selector add a size title, and inside the size title I will add select size. Then after that, um, create another div that is sizes. Inside the sizes add the every size like size, and here I will go with 38, then move to 39, then 40, then 41, and then 42, 43, and the last one will be 44. Okay, and set one to the active so that one will be active as from default. Okay, so I will active the 41. Okay, 40. Okay, now after that we have to add a button here. So come here, like you can see, we just come out from the size selector and create a button here, that is button dot add to cart. You already seen in the demo section. Okay, so here inside the button, create a span tag here and add a class that is cart icon. And now let's add the cart icon first, then after that we will add the add to cart. Okay, add cart. Okay, so now we have to add a cart icon here. So again, go to the website here, that is Font Awesome, and search for cart. Okay, and here we have a cart icon here. Just click here and copy the link and paste it here. Okay, now let's go back to the website, and here we have a cart icon as well as the text. So now everything looks fine for now. Okay, so after adding the button, we have to add the image and everything, that is the circle icon and the image as well. For that, just come to here and create another div that is shoe display. And inside the shoe display, what we gonna add is two circles. Okay, shoe circle and another is circle one. Okay, and then move to sorry, then create another div that is circle two, and then another one that is our image. Okay, so here image src, that is 21, and then in the alt I will use shoe image. Okay, that's fine. And now we will add the last, we will add class name. So I will add shoe image will be perfect. Okay, so class shoe image. Now refresh and you can see we have a shoe image here, and everything looks fine for now. Okay, so now it's time to style it. So just come back here and in the style section, start with the style section here. So what we gonna start with is that universal selector. Okay, you already know about the universal selector and so on. So let's go. And I think the video will be too bigger because we already explained everything here. So what if I will just skip or just increase the video length? It depends over you. Okay, so just comment me from next time what I have to do. Okay, so that I will manage this everything because the video will be too much bigger for now. You can see now the after adding the pop-ins font family, there you can see the text changes. Okay, so just go to body section here and add other things like background color, that is white, then color will be this one, then other thing will be overflow, that is again. Okay, so what I will do, I have a idea in my mind that I will just make the source code, I'm sorry, make the code complete. Okay, but in a fast way that I'm not explaining everything. Okay, because these things you already know about, like container, then adding grid element. Okay, so I will just create the template here, then styling part I will just try to finish it as soon as possible. Okay, so let me explain the container part, how that everything will be managed. Okay, so here I'm going to use gray template columns, and for the sidebar I'm going to use 150 pixels, and for the content I'm going to use 1fr, and for the image 1fr. Okay, now you see they all are aligned perfectly. Here you can see we have a hamburger and then a big, so on. Okay, you can see here. Now let's move to here, and it's time to add other parts. Okay, so just let me just, if I just minimize it. Okay, now it's fine and I can show you now. So here you can see after the container part, I'm going with the, so after the container part, let's go for the header, and inside the header add the position absolute so that it will be on the top as well. Always, that is top 0, then left 0, then right will be as well 0. Okay, now you can see these are always a top, this one, okay, now not these things, okay, so keep in mind. And after that it will be display flags, justify will be space between, and then align item will be center, sorry, align item will be center, align items will be center. Okay, now it's perfect. As you can see here, we have a hamburger, then a logo, and then a search icon. Okay, so everything aligned perfectly. Then add some padding like 30 pixels from top, bottom, left, right. Z index increase will be 99, not inherit, it will be 99. Okay, guys. So one more thing, that you have any questions regarding anything, just comment below. Okay, I will try. But if you have any issue regarding the code, source code, and everything, just contact me through Discord or Telegram. Okay, I will try to solve it. And don't forget to support our channel. Okay, and we need your help. As you can see there, we just remove our background color to whitish, but with a less opacity, so that the background we can see like our heading, links, everything. Okay, now let's come back here at the box shadow here, that is 0, 2 pixels, 10 pixels, and RGBA, that is 000, and then last, that is opacity 0.5. Okay, now it's fine. Then move back to the menu icons like this one, then logo, and then after that, that one. So let's do it fast way. So menu icon and search icon. Okay, we will do both. And here for the font size, I will go for 24 pixels, that correct, and cursor will be pointer. Then add the transition, because we will add hover effect, that is 0.3 seconds ease, and color will be that is E31P. Okay, now refresh here, and you can see it's look like fine. Okay, not very good, but okay, I will remove this part because I really don't. I will going with the black color, that's all, and nothing else. Okay, here, okay, now here our search icon and the menu icon done. Now let's go for the hover effect, that is menu icon over and search icon over, and instead of color I will go for the okay, so color will be good, and we will transform as well, like transform scale, that is 1.2. Okay, now let's see. So here when I hover, you can see the color changes and transform as well, like here as you can see. But we have to design the logo part here, so just come here, and let's go for the logo part here. Set the logo at position absolute, and then left 50. Okay, position absolute, left 50, refresh. Okay, now everything looks fine. Then add transform, translate, then X, and minus 50%. Okay, then after these things, okay, we have to style a little bit more, like font weight, that is bold, and then font size, that is 26 pixels, and color will be black will be good. Okay, okay, and letter spacing will be one, so that it makes some distance between the letters and so on. Okay, now it's look great. Okay, instead of that one, I don't think that, and this looks fine. Okay. So after adding and design the logo, we will go for the sidebar here, that we already seen this links here. So first we will design the sidebar, then go for the content, and then go for the image. Okay, so first create the template here. So let's go for the sidebar here. So inside the sidebar, what we will do is to add the padding, that is 120 pixels, 0, and then 50 pixels. Okay, so 120 will be top, then 0 from left and bottom, and then 50 pixel will be left. Sorry, right and bottom, and 50 pixel will be left. Okay, after adding these things, let's go to the display flex, and flex direction will be column. Okay, now you can see they are aligned perfectly. Then after that, add the justify content center, align item will be flex start. After that, gap will be 25 pixels. Then transition will be 0.3 seconds ease. Then add the background, that is white. Now let's check. So yeah, looks look great. Okay, so we forget to add the height here. So add the height in the container, that is 100 px, which is same as yeah, not 110, which is same is equal to the screen height. Okay, so now I think the template and everything will be designed. Now it's time to style the sidebar, then content, and then after the foots and the circle as well. Okay, so let's finish this, okay, in fast mode. Now it's time to add the script tag. Okay, so let's start with the script tag here and start with the hamburger menu. So what I want, when I click here, the sidebar that we have created come from left side, okay, in the responsiveness. For that, what I will do is to create a toggle menu. Okay, so first we'll write const menu icon and equals to document dot, okay, document dot query selector here. So query selector and menu icon. Okay, not all of them. Query selector dot menu icon. Okay, here. Then do the same with the sidebar and overlay. Okay, so here what I will do, and just change the menu icon sidebar, and for the here I will change to overlay. Then come to here and change these as well, right? Sidebar and here overlay. Okay. Okay, so now we have just mentioned the name. Now it's time to add the functionality part. So here just type menu icon dot add event listener. Okay, menu icon dot add event listener click. Okay, you might think why these recommendation already come in my these things. Okay, so let me tell you one more thing. These all uh, recommendations are coming from GitHub Copilot. Okay, here you can see we have a GitHub Copilot. Yeah, these recommendations are coming from that, and I already created a video. If you didn't watch that, I will provide it here. Okay, just click on that and you will get the GitHub Copilot menu, that how you use and place in your VS Code. Okay, just go and check it out that as well. But before that, let me just show you how the website works. Okay, so sidebar.class list dot toggle active, and what I want is overlay dot class list dot toggle active. So when I click on menu icon, what I want is to do sidebar. Uh, Inside the sidebar, there is a icon. There is an class list. So what I want, when I click on this hamburger menu, the active class added to the sidebar and active class removed from this overlay. Then again, when if it's active in the sidebar, then it remove, and if it's active in overlay, then it's remove. Okay, now let's check if it works. Okay, so it works fine. You can see, yeah, it looks amazing. So now let's go for the other part. So here we have to add the overlay as well. So what I want is, when I click on the overlay, it will remove the sidebar. Okay, that's what why we add the overlay. Okay, so overlay dot add event listener click, and then again the same sidebar remove and overlay will be removed. Now let's check. So here when I click it open. Now when I click here it removes. Check here. So yeah, it works perfectly. Now everything done here. Now it's time to add the functionality to our select sizes. So what I want, when I click here, it will just turn reds and the other one will be transparent. Okay, so for that functionality, what we have to do is to uh, document dot add event listener, and then added the DOM content loaded. So what is DOM content loaded is that when you refresh the page or anything, the content will be load. So it when it load, it will start working. Okay, whenever it loads, it will start working. Okay, that's what the DOM content load will do. So here we will add the other codes, that is sizes equals to document dot query selector all size. Okay, and here for each size, when I click over that, it will just select to active. Okay, and then that's all, and remove this part. Okay, we don't need this one. So that's all. So now let's go and check here. So when I click, you can see now it's working perfectly. Now the last thing is that when I click on add to cart, it just says added to cart. For that functionality, just come below here. Okay, and create another that is const add to cart. Okay, and document dot query selector add to cart. Now we selected our add to cart button, and it's time to add the other thing like add to cart dot add events listener. Then click, and then here what we have to do is this dot inner HTML. What it does is this is help to solve the things like when I click on the button. Okay, so this says that yeah, the button you have clicked, now the functionality will work on that button only. Okay, so this is the thing that we are going to use, and here just create a span tag, and inside this span tag what we gonna add is class equals to cart icon that we already styled it. Okay, and inside this I tag here what we will add is the uh, tick button. Okay, so let's add that as well. So let's add the cart icon and then a tick button. Let's go to the font awesome here again. Let's increase the size first, and here we what we want is correct. Okay, and you can see we have a check button here, so just go and copy this code, come back. Okay, now we'll make it smaller like default. Okay, and then into here, and here inside this paste it here, and then close this pen tab, and what at last add it to cart. Okay, now just change the background color to green. Okay, and that's all. Then add the set timeout as well. Okay, so what I want, okay, I remove the set timeout. We don't need this. Now let's see, when I click here, you can see, okay, there is nothing happening. Okay, we have an error here. Okay, so the main error is that we are using here arrow function, but we can't use arrow function here. So just come here and write function here. Okay, so that it will work. So come here and let's check again. So when I click again, okay, now it's working fine. Okay, so here we have completed our website. Now it's time to add the animation part here, and you already know how I add the animation part and everything, but let me just show you again. And okay, so come to this website, that no, not website, just search EOS and click on this first link. Okay, not first one, that is, yeah, this one. So after clicking, come below, click on the first link for here, and at the top paste it inside the head tag. Then again copy this line and then paste it just above the script tag here. Okay, now it's fine. Then we have to do some styling in our EOS. Okay, like here inside the init file we have to add some element like the animation that you want is once. Okay, not it's true. Yeah, the second one is the animation we want is easy. Okay, that is ease out and what. Okay, this animation we are going to use, and then the duration of the animation will be 800 seconds. Okay, now refresh, and here we go. Just add the animation, and the voila, everything looks fine. So start with we don't need any animations in sidebar. Okay, so just go and add an animation in the above sidebar. We don't add in links. So add data AOS and then fade right. Then again another is data AOS duration, that is 800. Okay, so we have already added, so we can't, and we will not add here. So refresh it, and yeah, everything not we can't check here because it's not available here. Now we can check here, so let's refresh it, and here you can see the animation part. Yeah, it's look perfect. So let's add the animation for other as well, like we are gonna use this animation on this class here, that is h1. So what we will do is add a data EOS, that is fade up. Okay, and duration will be same. Now go for the description. Here we will use data OS fade up, and then for the sizes here, what I'm going to think is to add the data AOS. Which there is a catch. Data AOS fade up for this as well. Now it's look fine. And then another one is for the cart, that is data AOS fade up. Now let's check. Okay, now it's fine. But I want one more thing, that is delay. Okay, so what I want is to make a delay here. So come here and add a data EOS delay, that is 100 milliseconds, and for same for other one. So for the description I will go for 200 milliseconds. Then for the sizes I will go for 300 milliseconds, and then for the contact button I will go for 400 milliseconds. Now refresh it and you can see now it looks perfect. Now it's time to add the shoes. For that, come below. Here is our shoes, and inside the shoes just add this one. Instead of delay, remove the delay part, but add the duration part because I want to increase the duration. Okay, there is some spoken text. Okay, duration, that is I will add 1500. Okay, with the seconds. Now refresh it. Okay, so there is no changes here. So come back here, and okay, so we haven't add the data EOS. Okay, so data AOS zoom in. I will add for zoom, and here you can see it looks perfect. But I will go for the circle as well. Okay, so add the data AOS zoom in, and duration will be not, yeah, delay that will be 500, not 500. It will be start as soon as possible. Okay, and I will just lower the duration. Okay, so data was duration will be around 500. Okay, and then same goes for the second circle. So let's add here, that is 500. Now let's first increase the length and refresh it. Okay, so it look fine, as you can see. When I just refresh it, no, not good, because it make our design very bad. Okay, so just remove this part. I'm going to remove this. Okay, so our website is complete, and you can see the responsiveness. Everything looks fine and good, and not only responsive but also the size, design, and everything looks perfectly fine. You can see look perfect. So if you guys have any issue regarding anything, just comment below, and the source code I will provide it on here, that is procode09.com, and you have to just check it out here and also read our other blogs as well. And if you have any query, just comment me, or also if you want some premium source codes, just come here and buy any of these. Okay, for your, like, if you want gaming website, just click here, or if you want portfolio with other designs, you can just go and check it out. I will update it more. Okay, and here we have a tour or travel as well. Okay, not only that, but you can also categorize. Okay, so it will be, if you want a landing page, you can go with that. Okay, so if you want to buy a membership, just click here. So just go and check it out and tell me if you have any issue with anything, just tell me. Okay, and thank you for watching, guys, and thank you for love and support. And we are very near to 25K, and I know you will complete as soon as possible. I'm just waiting for it. Okay, guys, thank you. Happy coding.